first ballad, The Rising of the Moon, is about a battle that took place during the 1798 rebellion. I'm playing it in the key of A major, and we've just got three chords, three major chords. It's in 4/4 time, and the strum pattern I'm using for the song is down, 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 up, down, up. So we've got 4 beats, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, and D major, down, 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 up, down, up.
1, 2, 3, 4.